Certainly. Let's explore different types of APIs, including Web APIs and RESTful APIs. 1. Web APIs. Web APIs, also known as HTTP APIs, are a common type of API used for communication between web-based applications. They utilize the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, to transmit data and perform operations. Web APIs are often exposed by web services and allow other applications to interact with them over the Internet. Web APIs can use various data exchange formats, with JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, and XML, Extensible Markup Language, being the most prevalent. These APIs provide endpoints that can be accessed using HTTP methods such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. Web APIs are widely used for integrating services, accessing resources, and retrieving data from remote servers. 2. RESTful APIs. RESTful APIs are a specific type of web API that follows the principles of representational state transfer, REST. REST is an architectural style that provides a set of constraints for building scalable and stateless web services. RESTful APIs adhere to these constraints and use HTTP methods to perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations on resources. Key principles of RESTful APIs include: resource-based APIs are designed around resources, example, users, products, that can be uniquely identified by Uniform Resource Identifiers, URIs. Stateless, each request from a client to a RESTful API contains all necessary information, and the server does not maintain any session state between requests. Uniform interface, RESTful APIs have a consistent and standardized interface, using HTTP methods, GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, for specific actions on resources. Representation-oriented, APIs transfer representations of resources, such as JSON or XML, between the client and server. RESTful APIs are widely adopted due to their simplicity, scalability, and compatibility with the existing infrastructure of the World Wide Web. They provide a flexible and standardized approach to building APIs that can be easily consumed by clients. It's important to note that while RESTful APIs are a popular choice, there are also other architectural styles and API types, such as SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol, APIs, GraphQL APIs, and more. Each type has its own characteristics and use cases, catering to different requirements and preferences. Understanding the distinction between web APIs and RESTful APIs is essential when working with APIs, as it helps determine the appropriate communication style, data formats, and conventions for building and consuming APIs in various applications and systems.